Hi, this is Charudat Acharya. Uh, I'm a screenwriter and I'm here to talk to you about screenwriting. Topic that has been given to me to talk to you guys is primarily about what and how does one navigate your career once as a screenwriter. I'm a screenwriter predominantly. I've directed also, but my main job is that of a screenwriter. I write for film, I write for television, and I write for OTT platforms. So, what my talk today is basically what are the career avenues you have once you are once you have finished school. For example, you have finished your film school, and if those of who have specialized in screenwriting or want to take the screenwriting pathway, how are you going to do it? Because it's very competitive, and you have to find your way around and then get a foot into the door. So that's what we will be primarily talking about today. Primarily, see, let me put it this way: that screenwriting is a craft which is a very lonely profession. It's a very lonely craft when you're writing. But at the same time, once you have written, then it's a hugely collaborative process. It's not like writing a novel, or it's not like writing a book or a travelogue where what you have written is the final product, and that's what goes out to your consumers, to your readers. A screenplay written for television, written for film, written for online platforms, written for anything, that's a blueprint. It's just a blueprint. And I'll take that back. I won't say it's just a blueprint, but it's basically the blueprint on which everything is going to stand. But it's not the end product at all. Nobody goes and buys a screenplay and reads the script. It's also a very technical document. So then there will be a lot of people who will collaborate on it. Several people who will collaborate on it. But without this document, nothing moves. So first and foremost, what I would like to say is that each one of you is aspiring to be a screenwriter. You must recognize this fact that if you write, a movie will get made. If you do not write, a movie will not get made. You are a very critical component of the audiovisual medium. Do not think that you are semi-skilled, or you just a writer, or oh, he's just a writer or she's just a writer. No, ऐसा नहीं होता है. स्क्रीन राइटर बहुत ही अहम, बहुत ही ज़रूरी कंपोनेंट है, बहुत ही ज़रूरी पहिया है इस इंडस्ट्री के रथ का, जिसके बिना वो रथ आगे नहीं बढ़ता. तो यू हैव टू attach that importance to yourself and take your craft dead seriously. You have to take your craft dead seriously, because this cannot be frivolous. It cannot be just for your own fancy. It is because there is a lot riding on what you write, lots. So you have to be you have to shoulder that responsibility, that you have to write. It's a very, very responsible position you are in. You are going to be creating, giving birth to a story that will become a film, and then you are going to decide the scope. So there's so much of investment that's going to go into your written word. So it becomes very critical to take your craft seriously, practice it, keep abreast with uh, all the aspects of screenwriting, and practice a lot, because you have no clue, you have no idea when are you going to get produced. But what is important is you should be ready when the time comes. You should be ready with scripts, you should be ready with ideas, you should be ready with stories. So that's as far as writing goes. You have to, it's a practice, and fortunately, unlike directors, unlike cameramen, unlike editors or any other technical collaborators of this, a writer can keep practicing his craft, because it doesn't cost. You don't need a camera, you don't need production, you don't need actors, nothing. You can keep writing, and of course, you will only know how your film is shaped up, how your story is shaped up once it gets shot. But you can keep practicing your craft. You can keep writing several scripts, but a director cannot keep directing several directors, or a cameraman cannot shoot many films, because he has to wait for that opportunity. In today's day and age, when you write, you can even actually, just to test, you can just take one scene from your work and with a camera and something, with a few friends, you can just test it to see whether it holds, whether it works on a very basic level, as dynamics between characters, as dialogue, as two scenes cut together, how are they matching up, how are they holding up. So you can practice your craft all the time. You can keep collecting stories, researching stories, preparing your entire uh, entire, what we call it, जो पिटारा बोलते हैं, राइटर का पिटारा. वेरी वेरी ऑफन यू विल हियर दिस टर्म. आपके पिटारे में से कुछ निकालिए. सो अब राइटर्स पिटारा इज समथिंग दैट आई विल कम अप touch next. But you know what's a pitara, right? From which the snake comes out of its charmer. Yeah. So you have to get out many snakes. So that's how it's going to be. So now you are here, graduated, and you are interested in being a screenwriter. How do you go about it? What is the way you go about it? See, first and foremost, what I would like to say, I would like to share. This might not be applicable to everybody, but this is my understanding of this. Is that there are two things. One is, and this entirely depends upon your own situation in life when you are out into the real world from film school. Very often, directors or producers, they have a concept or a story. They option a book, or they hear a story, or they themselves can generate a story idea. Can come to anybody, but to turn a story into a screenplay requires a screenplay writer, a script writer. So if you have a story or a story or an idea, with you have to go in contact, get in touch with screenwriters. In your class or in the industry or wherever, and you collaborate with them and you work together. You should, if you can't write a screenplay, but you should be able to read a screenplay. Right? Reading a screenplay is as important as writing a screenplay, because when you read a person who can read a screenplay and see the film in front of his eyes, you have to have that training, you have to have that vision, which many directors normally do. Like, they work with a writer or a producer, they work with a writer, and when the script comes, they can understand that, okay, this is a good script, or this script needs work, or the script writer is getting it right. So that judgment also you need to have.